Welcome to mobi.Resource. mobi.Resource is the one-stop area in the Mobi suite of applications utilized to manage, edit, and maintain your fleet information, which includes system users, company vehicles, drivers, devices, and points of interest. Today we are going to learn about the driver section of mobi.Resource. In this training video, you will learn how to search for a driver, edit a driver that is already set up in the resource application, and add a new driver. Let's open the mobi.Resource application now by clicking on the people icon in the upper left-hand corner. Upon logging into the application, you will be presented with the summary screen that displays all of the information loaded into the system for your specific company. Today let's focus on the driver section by either clicking on the driver icon on the left-hand side of the screen or the number of drivers loaded in the system in the lower center portion of the screen. In the driver screen, you will see critical information needed to manage the drivers within your organization. The driver screen shows us the driver's ID, the level the driver is associated with, the level ID in the system, the last name of the driver, the first name if applicable, the specific cost model the driver functions under, the vehicle ID the driver is associated with, as well as the last time a change was made to the driver information. When managing a large fleet of drivers, the search functionality is a very useful feature to quickly find the driver you are looking for. Let's search for a driver now. Please direct your attention to the top right portion of the screen where the search box is located. As we begin typing in the search text box, you will notice the result set will automatically narrow based on the information we type. You can type the driver ID, level ID, name, cost model, or vehicle ID into the search box. Let's search for driver ID 101186. Now that we see the information for driver 101186, let's edit the driver's information by clicking on any of the fields listed below. You will now notice the Edit Driver screen is displayed. In the Edit Driver screen, you can change the driver's last name, first name, vehicle ID, level, and/or cost model. Typically, you would edit a driver if they received a new vehicle, were moved into a new branch, began working under a new cost structure, or were married and changed their last name. Once you've completed the desired changes, select the Save button and you will be brought back to the driver's information screen. In this example, we'll just click Cancel. As your customer base increases and more employees are hired, you may need to add new drivers to your system. Let's do that now by clicking on the Add button in the upper central portion of the screen. The Add Driver screen is now displayed and allows you to enter in the driver's name, driver ID, typically assigned by your company's system of record, the vehicle ID that the driver will utilize during his or her employment, the level in the organization the driver will work at, and the cost model the driver is associated with. The last name, driver ID, level, and cost model fields are mandatory for creating this new driver. Upon entering in the driver's information, select the Save button and the new driver will be added to the Mobi application immediately. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to navigate the driver section of mobi.Resource, search for a driver, edit a driver, and add a new driver. For any further questions on the driver section of mobi.Resource, please contact our support team by sending an email to support@mobicorp.com. Thank you for your time today and for your interest in the mobi.Resource application.